Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Miss Usma Faruqi from Juvenile Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. While attending this lecture, make sure you have your stationery items with you: pencil, eraser, sharpener, new countdown book to third edition, and your notebook. I hope you remain attentive throughout during this lecture. I am happy to present this lecture. I hope you will be glad to listen this video lecture. Subject Mathematics Class 2. Today we are going to start of sixth lecture. Topic is time. Open your book, page number 133. Telling the time, hours and clocks. Students, long period of time can be measured using weeks, months and years. Each day is divided into 24 equal parts called hours. Look at the clock. We see here 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each day is divided into two equal parts. One half begins at midnight and ends at noon, 12 hours. The second half begins at noon and ends at midnight, 12 hours. Clock tell us the time of the day. Look at the clock. The hours marked from 1 to 12. Clock has two hands. One is long hand and the other one is short hand. In this screen, we show long hand with green color and the short hand with red color. In this page, we will learn about the minute hand and hour hand. Look closely at the clock. Watch the long hand. See how it moves. Wait and watch carefully. Count the small marking along the edge. The long hand is the minute hand. It makes a complete turn round the clock, face every hour. 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and back to 12 is a complete turn. It measures small units of time called minutes. Called minutes. There are 60 minutes in every hour. Let's see the clock. It will help you to understand the clock hands. Now watch the short hand. Can you see it moving? It is moving, but very, very slowly. The short hand is the hour hand. It makes a complete turn round the clock face once every 12 hours. It measures hours because there are 24 hours in each day. Remember this. There are 24 hours in each day. The hour hand makes two complete turns every day. 12 multiplied 2 is equal to 24. 24 divided by 12 is equal to 12 midnight to 12 noon, one complete turn. 12 noon to 12 midnight, one complete turn. Dear students, now look at this clock. Again we see here two hands in this clock, long hand and short hand. Long hand show the minutes and short hand show the hours. In this clock, the hour hand is pointing to 3. The minute hand is pointing to 12. When the long hand points to 12, an hour is ending and a new hour is starting. At this position, the time is 3 o'clock. My dear students, क्लॉक में हैंड्स की जब इस तरह की पोजीशन हो तो हम कहेंगे द टाइम इज 3 o'clock. What time does each clock show? You see here two clocks, red clock and black clock. In red clock has two hands. One on 12, this is a longer hand, and short hand is on 5. The time is 5 o'clock. And in black clock, show the time is 8 o'clock. Now we draw hands on the clock to show the time given. The time is 2 o'clock. We have two lines, big line and small line. Big line show a long hand, small line show a short hand. We draw a line from center point to 12. We draw a long line for long hand and draw a short line for short hand. When our line is on 12, the big line show a long hand, small line show a short hand. Now, look at your clock. If your long hand on 12 and short hand on 2, the time is 2 o'clock. Now, come on the next clock, draw a long hand and a short hand. Draw line, center point to 12. Yes, you draw a big line and small line you draw from center point to 10. These lines your short hand and long hand. Now is your long hand and short hand ready. Watch it carefully. Where is long hand? Long hand is on 12. Short hand is on 10. The time is 10 o'clock. Half past the hour. Students, look at this clock. In this clock, the long hand is not on 12. Now at this time, the long hand is on 6. The minute hand is no longer pointing to 12. It has moved halfway round the clock to 6. It has moved 30 spaces. The hour hand has also moved. It is now halfway between 3 and 4. The time on this clock is 3:30. 3:30 is short for half an hour past 3 o'clock. What time does each clock show? Look at the clock. Where is long hand? The long hand is on 6. And where is short hand? The short hand between 4 and 5. When the long hand is on 6 and the short hand is between the two numbers, we say half past. At this time, the long hand is on 6 and the short hand between 4 and 5. The time is half past 4. The second clock. The short hand is between 9 and 10 and long hand is on 6. The time is half past 9. It is a time of solar calendar. Morning, midday, afternoon and evening are some of the words used to measure time. Students, always remember we have 7 days in a week. The days of the week also measure time. There are 7 days in a week. Students now will learn names of the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very lovely day, holiday, Sunday. This is a time of important points. Students, read this and learn it very carefully. First point, months and years are used to measure longer periods of time. महीने और साल लंबे अरसे के वक्त को नापते हैं. There are 365 days in a year. एक साल में 365 days होते हैं. A leap year is a special year. All of you keep in your mind, leap year एक खास साल होता है जिसमें 366 दिन होते हैं. It comes once every 4 years. There are 12 months in a year. Oh, students, एक आसान सी बात, एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. Next, each month has its own special name. आपको मालूम है ना कि हर महीने का एक अपना नाम होता है जिसमें से कुछ के 30 डेज होते हैं और कुछ के 31 डेज होते हैं, सिर्फ फरवरी के अलावा, क्योंकि फरवरी एक खास महीना है जिसमें 28 और 29 डेज होते हैं. एक और अहम बात, अ फोर्टनाइट. जी बेटा, अ फोर्टनाइट किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? 2 वीक्स के लिए. अ फोर्टनाइट इज अनदर वर्ड फॉर 2 वीक्स. It's a time of home assignment. Do practice page number 140. Read and learn page number 148 and 152. Thank you, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.